We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, GBP. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to right hand side is a bullish candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And third level highs. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. Price action, monthly time frame, last candle in the market, bullish green candle. Looks like a doji. Also price second, third, fourth, last candle is all consolidating within each other. So we have consolidation on consolidation, but what's happening in that area is we did receive a break, look like a double retest. Market's trying to push out that area, but have to engulf that fourth to last candle in the market. Huge wick to really push that market to see what's going on. So this market has to be sectioned off by when working our way up. Current price is sitting at 0.87337. If prices pushes up, it can head to that resistance line at 0.90644. Before tagging that area, it can tag that midpoint at 0.88942. If price decides to reverse and work its way down, it can tag that support line at 0.83912. Before tagging that midpoint, which is the bottom of that price action wick near the numbers of 0.85599. So you can see price action is in the middle of that range. So we're going to also put an SR line right between that, right in the middle. So we can see going on in the market. We can see price action is currently just tagged that area. And when we walk down the time frame, we'll see that zone that we are in. So it's patterns inside patterns. So overall, if that market does push up overall, we can see that we did receive a break of that market retest of that support line. We did receive multiple touches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So market spiked down overall first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2. Market push, retest. We're going to see if we're going to see that third push out that area. So market's be on that third push overall. Near price, we do see a pattern right below price. We have an overall first, second, third, fourth, double bottom, retest. And this is how we look for that push to break out. If you go a little wider too, you can see at this level in here, see an overall double bottom with that first, second leg, third leg. So that means that price action is at the midpoint. This is why we have this SR line here, because price action is at the midpoint of the resistance, the support. And if it pushes up, you'll see the bigger retest at that level or near that level and market pushes up. But if it's denied and dropped down or market reverses, market's coming from multiple pushes to that resistance, which is identified as 1. And let's look at this as an overall. So let's say a double top, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, made it to that midpoint, broke the midpoint, came back to the midpoint. So that's a double top retest. We're going to see, look for that break, the retest, and for that market to push down further. But so far we are in the consolidation to see what level is going to push up to or down to. We are looking for the engulfing of the last price, second, third, or fourth last candles in the market. Working our way to the weekly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side on the weekly time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. So there's a few things going on. We do have market price action side by side within that second last candle. So we do have that consolidation. Also, we can still see that as a pattern trying to form within that area, which will be spiked down for that first, second, third, and market's looking to break out that midpoint as it currently at, to retest, to push up for that double bottom and retest. And also we can see this market, we can read this market as overall too, once we see the breakout because of what pushed that market to that area, which will be these two areas here. So market is identifying that that market did break, came back to retest. So we have a break, a retest. So that's identifying the first, second, third, fourth, retest the previous side. And we can see that market engulf that area and pushes up from that double bottom to retest. But be careful because we do know that right above price, 2 levels, we have a long wick up to that top. So that market is identifying it can be a full reversal in that market. That market did lose a lot of momentum to that top. So market pushed up, lost momentum, and dropped down. And this is why we have that decline. So that market is also in a area of a wedge pattern. So if you connect the resistance and we connect the supports, let's do that much cleaner. So if we connect the resistance and we put a straight line for that support, we are in a what? We are in a wedge pattern. So that market broke into that wedge pattern and just retested the top and the bottom of that wedge pattern until that market is getting tighter for that full breakout to the top side of the downside. So we're going to see if it's going to happen here. If it not, it could come back down in that wedge pattern, still fully find some momentum to break out unless it really breaks out that downside. Headed down to weekly daily time frame, price action daily time frame, reading as a bullish green candle. So it has momentum to push. That market did come back to retest after it spiked that high with the second last candle. So what's happening in that area? There's a pattern, overall spike downs, red and green, first, second, third, fourth, double bottom retest, or you can read that as an overall triple bottom of that area. Market pushed up with the second last candle, came back to retest with the price action. Price action does have momentum to push up as it currently doing. So we're gonna see if that market does have enough momentum with the price action it can do to start breaking out of this current resistance line to retest it to work its way up further. Also, we do know we're in the zone. We're gonna talk about down the 4-hour time frame, but also the market is in a tight wedge pattern. So if you connect, we're gonna connect the second last candle top of that wick, and we're gonna grab the bottom of that second last candle wick. So we know anything that's within this area would be consolidation, even though we put in the zone on that 4-hour time frame, and you can see how it's set up. So you're going price action. We know we're on a major midpoint line, so you're gonna go a little bit above, a little bit below. And what's the area we going into? Right into that zone area that we created on the daily time frame, made it clear on the 4-hour time frame. And now we can walk down the time frame to see what's really going on. But before I do, let's read the market a little bit on this time frame. If this market pushes up, it identifying at that low within that zone, first, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom. This is why we're looking for price to break that midpoint SR line in black to retest to push up further. Now, if not, that market can decline. We'll talk about down the 3-hour time frame overall, first, second, looking for red and green. So if the red candle pushes down, create that double top overall. Headed down to the 2, price action bullish green candle, second last candle, third last candle pushed up with the fourth last candle, second last candle retest. Price action is trying to create that momentum to push up. Price action does have a long wick up to that top, so it did tag that SR line of resistance. We're gonna see what's going on. So a lot of momentum lost. The market can be dropping down, same as the previous high. That's why that market dropped down here. So we can see that market break down further. So to just dissect the area, we'll have the point and we have that low. So we're going to see how far that market breaks down through that area. Price action, bullish green doji cross side by side within that second last candle. That market is consolidating, looking for that breakout at the top. 30-minute time frame, prices within seconds, still consolidating. Also reading as the break, the retest, still looking to see if that market is going to engulf that second last candle to push up. 5-minute time frame, first, second, third, if it's respected, push green candle, creating that W formation. If not, we'll see that overall first, second, third, fourth double top retest. Market's coming down from that area. Headed down for the 1-minute time frame. Dude is receiving that first, second, third, fourth retest. Price action. Is it pushing down or is it W first, second, third, fourth? Full retest. Market work is back up. Okay, guys, very important information.